Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be creating this smoky eye nude lip date night look. This I posted on Instagram and I asked you guys if you want a soft pink glam look or do you want a smoky eye and a nude lip look. So I got 50-50 response on both of those, so I thought why not just go ahead and do both of the looks. So I have done the smoky eye nude lip look today, and I'm gonna get you the pink glam look very soon as well. Now without any more talking, let's just get right into the video. As this is going to be a smoky eye, we are going to start with the eyes first because we do not want a lot of eyeshadow falling on our base. There is no other palette that I could have thought of when doing a classic smoky eye, and the palette I'll be using today for this is Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. So as you guys can see, I have already done my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna go in with an eyeshadow primer. The eyeshadow primer I'm gonna use is NYX. I'm gonna put this all over my eyes. And then I'm gonna blend it with a small beauty blender. Next, I'm going to set all of this with Fit Me compact powder. My shade is 235. Starting with the base shade, we're gonna take Sandalwood right here on a base brush by Real Techniques, and we're gonna blend it over our crease line and on the crease line as well. One thing you guys need to know is this look is all about blending. You cannot get your smoky eyes right if you're not blending it well. You know, smoky eyes need to be a gradient of color going from dark to light on your eyes, otherwise it's just gonna look like you have tired eyes. So using Sandalwood gives a really nice base shade for all our other darker brown colors to blend. Next, I'm gonna take this shade Henna. This is a Sigma E56 brush. Apply this on the a little above the crease line. Do not worry about the fallout and about getting it dirty around your eyes, because we're going to clean all that up later on. Now with the Sigma E25 blending brush, I'm going to blend these two shades together. Next, I'm going to take this shade Cocoa and darken the crease further. So this time, try to follow your crease line. Don't go above it. It's okay if you get some color on your lids because we're going to clean that up later. But don't go too high with this. I'm going to blend this again. Now before I put on black eyeshadow, I'm going to give it a cream eyeshadow base. So I'm going to use this eyeshadow stick by K Beauty in the shade Desire. Don't go very close to your inner corners because we don't want to make our inner corners really dark. Just apply this a little lower than your crease line, because we're going to blend it anyway, it's going to reach our crease line. Now I'm going to blend this with a pencil blender brush. It's a small brush. So now you can see how beautifully that has blended. Now I'm gonna go with a black eyeshadow on this, and I'm gonna use this shade Black Truffle. Now we just need to tap this eyeshadow on our cream eyeshadow. We do not need to drag this, because this motion will intensify the black color much more than dragging motion. I'm gonna go back with that pencil blending brush and I'm gonna blend this and the brown color together. Now to sharpen this look further, I'm gonna use an eyeliner. I'm gonna create a typical wing liner, and then I'm gonna go back to the black eyeshadow and I'm gonna fill in all this gap that you can see between the eyeshadow and eyeliner. So just very close to the eyeliner, I'm gonna apply the eyeshadow and just blend it along. Today I'll be using henna lashes. Okay, so after cleaning all the fallout that we got from our eyeshadow earlier, I'm gonna go and start off with the base. And I'm gonna start the base makeup with this. This is Vitamin Enriched Face Base by Bobbi Brown. You guys know how much I love this. So I'm just gonna use a good amount to moisturize before I go in with that foundation. Next, I'm gonna apply for Sally Rose Gold Oil because today we are going full coverage, baby. You cannot do sheer foundation and no makeup sort of makeup on for your base with this kind of an eye look. This is like full on glam. So you need to make sure that you do not have any imperfections on your face and you do a pretty good base with this. Next, let's go in with the most full coverage foundation in this entire world, and that is Huda Beauty. And my shade is Butter Pecan. I'm gonna take a little bit on my hand and I'm gonna apply it all over my face in these circles, and then I'm gonna blend it all out. Next, we're gonna use the concealer, and the concealer that I'll be using today is also Huda Beauty. This is Overachiever concealer in the shade Coconut Flakes. Let's blend this out. I know this concealer looks really heavy right now, but it's all gonna tone down when we set this makeup and do bronzing. Now I'm gonna set the concealer, and I'm using Fit Me loose powder for this. Also applying this on the nose, on the T-zone, because if you want to do this makeup for a date night and you want it to stay flawless all night, then definitely do put powder on your T-zone as well. Blush that I'm using today is Lakme 9 to 5 and the color is Coral Punch. Now, as we are done with setting the base, let's complete the eyes. So I'm gonna zoom you again. Now, taking a precision brush like this, we'll go back to the color henna, and very carefully we're gonna apply this on the lower lash line. So as you can see, I still have some fallout there. So all you need to do to fix this little fallout is take the same loose powder on your brush and just wipe this off. Now I'm taking Lakme Iconic Kajal and I'm gonna line my lower lash line. You don't need to be very precise with the line that you draw on the lash line, but you need to make sure that you do not go in the inner corners. Now with a smudger brush like this, we're gonna smudge the kajal. Now I'm going to take an eye pencil from Kiko Milano. This is a lighter color pencil, so I'm going to use this to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. And that is it. This is the final eye look, guys. Now we come back to my favorite part of makeup. So I'm going to use Bobbi Brown bronzer today. Bronzing is so important with this look, guys. It's really important to warm up your face for this brown smoky look. It all comes together beautifully. So if you guys have ever been wondering why am I looking a little away from the camera, it's because I have my camera screen over there and it is really important for me to know if I'm in focus or not, so can't help it, just have to. Now I'm going to set this entire makeup with Smashbox Photofinish Primer Water. And while this is drying up, I'm gonna go ahead and apply lipstick. I'm gonna use MAC liquid lipstick in the shade Topped Up with Brandy. And now with just a little glow, we will be done with this look. So I'm gonna use Bobbi Brown highlighter in Bronze Glow. And we're done, and this is the final look, guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, do hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and happy Valentine's Day to all of you.